पॉप स्टार बैंड सेटल हो गया है अपनी नई जिंदगी में। 2 गानों की रिकॉर्डिंग हो चुकी है, स्टाइलिंग सेशंस जोरों से चल रहे हैं। The band misses home, but with life's hectic pace, there's no time to look back.
आज हम बिल्कुल इंडियन देसी स्टाइल से लड़कियों में उठाने जा रहे हैं पानी डाल के। गालियाँ भी बहुत सुनेंगे, ये पता है मेरे को, क्योंकि उनको बड़ा गुस्सा है।
लड़कों की एक नई शरारत,
एक तो उड़ गई है।
The water alarm for the girls.
थप्पड़ खा लिया।
गुड मॉर्निंग। नहीं यार, इतना जल्दी का। वैसे पानी हमारे पास है, आज ही बोतलें चलेगा।
क्या यार ट्रिक में यार मजा नहीं आया यार, उठ गई यार जल्दी यार।
मैं बच गया। मैं बच गया।
Today it's Raksha Bandhan. And we dressed up, we're wearing suits, both of us. We're missing home. I will be preparing thali for my brother and this is the first time I'm not with my brother. Send him a Rakhi. But अभी तक पहुंची नहीं है। Still, I think it's the emotion that matters. I've sent him a Rakhi. He'll wear the Rakhi. But he doesn't have to be physically present.
आज तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैं कभी राखी पे ना पहुंचा हूँ।
We're all dying to see her. We made plans and we make Jimmy really special because even he's missing his sister. So. Raksha Bandhan anyway is not a day to cry, so I won't cry.
And Vasudha has no idea that I am coming here to give her आज क्या दिन है? रक्षाबंधन है। पीछे मुड़ के देखो।
रोने की हंस रही है? I got it.
Vasudha ties Rakhi to Bharat. Even as Sangeet goes home to his waiting sister.
We're going to surprise Jimmy now. He doesn't know that me and Vasta are going to time the Rakhi, so we have decorated our thali.
एक और पेड़ा
बच्चे
क्या करें इसका?
क्या करें?
किसी को खिलाते हैं। ओए राखी भी बड़ी है।
दिया भी जला है।
क्या करें?
मीठा भी बड़ा है।
ये
कर लेते हैं।
किसको
चुपचाप
क्या बात है?
जेनिस
जेनिस is Jenny's sister's name. So हम दोनों जेनिस पे काम करते हैं।
हम दोनों जय जिम्मी देवा, जय जिम्मी देवा।
मेरे बोल।
रक्षाबंधन के त्योहार से पॉप स्टार्स के बीच रिश्ता और गहरा हो गया। लेकिन कोई है जो जिमी को भाई की नजर से नहीं देख रहे।
नहीं, इसमें लिखा नहीं वो सेंड।
A bouquet of flowers from a secret admirer. आखिर क्या माजरा है ये? कौन है जिमी की पहली फैन? फाइंड आउट कोकवी पॉप स्टार्स 2 की वापसी में इस ब्रेक के बाद के सीक्रेट एडमायरर ने बैंड में मचा दिया है तहलका। एक अलग ही सस्पेंस जिसे लेकर जिमी बहुत एक्साइटेड है।
It's written with best compliments to Jimmy. Happy Friendships Day. Your biggest fan. From your biggest fan. अरे यार, इतना प्यारा चीज भेजा, ये तो बता दो किसने भेजा?
मैं तेरे से ये पूछ रही हूँ, किसी को एड्रेस दिया था?
किसी को एड्रेस नहीं दिया, कंप्यूटर वाले के। Not even my parents know the address.
लवली यार,
ऐसे तो हो सकता है कोई सरप्राइज करने के लिए किसी भी लिमिट तक जाता है।
हाँ तो छोड़ो ना, लड़की रहो किसने भेजा? अच्छा फूल दाया, थैंक यू बोल दो। Thank you so much whoever sent this wonderful bouquet for me. It's really, really, really beautiful.
Nobody knows the address.
She's been directed, no, कि किसी को एड्रेस नहीं होना चाहिए।
Biggest fan. Pop stars are not allowed visitors. Interaction with fans at this point would mean trouble for Jimmy.
Today it's Friendship Day and we're gonna be fooling Jimmy big time. She's Mitra, she's gonna be calling Jimmy and she's gonna be playing a prank.
Jimmy, hi, this is Samira. Yeah, did you get my flowers?
But tell me, Samira, how did you get this address of mine?
Because you're a pop star, right? Everybody knows.
But still, how did you get my address? This is so confusing for me because everybody is like bewildered at this particular point.
Have you heard of the Bombay Yellow Pages?
But how did you get to know that I'm staying here in this flat?
Because you're a pop star.
Oh my god.
And at the gym you have addresses, you have numbers, you know, like when you register.
Okay. So you come to work out there?
Yeah, mostly, but I haven't seen you there for the last few days. Are you going to be coming there tomorrow?
Yeah, exactly.
You will?
No, not tomorrow. Probably after a couple of days. Yeah.
Listen, do you think I could meet you sometime maybe?
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah?
Mira, let me be very straight. You know what? Actually, the thing is that I'm not allowed to talk to strangers until I'm allowed. Okay.
Okay.
And right now I'm surrounded with my crew people.
But can I meet you somewhere, like separately, or like do you have
Do
another
one thing.
number?
You give me a number.
Okay, 98.
Whenever I get a chance, I'll give you a call.
Okay.
Okay, Samira, it was really, really nice talking to you, and I'm really touched with your gift, and that was so sweet of you.
Just I'm hoping we can be friends, yeah?
Definitely, I'll talk to you later.
Okay, thank you so
Okay,
much.
Thank you so much, and have a great day. Happy friendship.
To you too.
Bye bye.
Bye.
क्या हुआ क्या?
She said that, you know, she used to come in the gym. How'd she get this number?
I don't know. She said that I took it from the gym.
That's what she said. It's not easy, it's not hard to get pop stars number. You are staying in Bombay and Yellow Pages and stuff.
You met her there?
No, I don't know who she is. I was not in my senses when I was talking. I was so conscious and so nervous. What is happening here?
चल जा।
Tell me,
लोग खुश होना चाहिए।
मैं बात नहीं कर रही, लेट यू ऑन, तू कलम कर।
जिमी के सीक्रेट एडमायरर का दूसरा कॉल दूसरे कमरे से।
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Amir. How are you?
Is that Jimmy?
Yeah, this is Jimmy.
I'm looking at.
Just make me recollect. What you used to do? You used to be in the gym or you used to be in the swimming pool? I mean, I just want let me recollect.
Do you think you've seen me?
Time to bring the prank to an end as Neeti takes the phone and heads over to where Jimmy is talking to Samira.
That's a wonderful bouquet from where did you buy it?
Have you heard that? Have you seen a florist? You don't know that. It's called the Bouquets. It's really nice. The best bouquet shop in town.
What are you talking to?
नीति, इधर देखना है। यार मैं तो इतना एक्साइटेड हो गया था। यार समीरा जब आवाज से बड़ी सेक्सी लग रही है। ये बात कौन कर रहा था मुझसे यार?
In the end, it was me, and you didn't even know.
This is the best scene I've ever seen. आदमी सामने होकर बात कर रहा है, फिर भी बात करे ना। Then he like I can hear something extra. What's happening? What's happening? Who's talking? Who's talking?
My God.
Ego.
क्या बोलूँगा?
यार मेरा मजा खराब हो गया। मैं सोचा कोई समीरा आ गई यार। Shit! I'm really off यार। मैं तो you know what? I was always carrying this phone number. I had this number, and you know what? I swear, I'll be honest. You know when Johan said get the number, this was in my pocket. I know why I went there. पहले इसको उतार लो नंबर, नहीं तो by chance Johan ने रख लिया, मुझे दिया नहीं तो It's always good यार, the first fan, and it's really nice. क्या है पूरा मजा खराब कर दिया है। We're gonna write down names randomly that we think. मैं बॉक्सिंग मैच के तो सोच के कर रहा हूँ मैं। Voice is one of the best names, we all like it. अभी यहाँ पे 4 stars हैं।
After many an exercise, it's back to being nameless.
We're going to Rocky's studio to try our costumes.
Popstar band के लिए आज है बड़ा दिन. Their clothes trial to gear them for their upcoming photo shoot.
I am very anxious to know what is there for me.
Will Rocky S give the band exactly what they have in mind? देखिए इस break के बाद.
We're going to Rocky's studio to try our costumes.
We're going to try our undergarments, see if they fit us.
We'll be wearing probably one hanky in front, one hanky below.
I am very anxious to know what is there for me. Because something which is not comfortable for me to wear, I would definitely hate that to wear.
चारों पॉप स्टार्स आ पहुंचे हैं रॉकी एस के स्टूडियो, जहां फोटो सेशन के आउटफिट्स की फिटिंग होगी.
Keeping the element for you all is black, beige, white and denim all the time. Whenever you are going out or something, that is your look.
पहले है लड़कियों की बारी.
Look at me. Thank you so much, Rocky.
I just love it.
Neeti and Vasudha seem more than delighted with their clothes.
एक दिन इस दुनिया को जीत लेंगे हम.
Go now, enough, change.
Lovely, all of them. Amazing. Even Nuniti is looking so gorgeous. She's very happy. You could see.
Start shooting, forget the flat log, you just cut it off.
Let me cross fingers and wish me luck, please. I cannot be comfortable unless I'm comfortable wearing something. I'm a fashion freak.
Sangeet too has no complaints.
Oh man.
Jimmy seems happy for now, but वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही particular है.
I didn't like the color of the denim, to be honest and frank. That's what I told Rocky, but he said that I'm looking good in this. Of course, what he says is the best.
What did you say? Blue is not your color.
No, I didn't say blue is not my color. It's not actually slightly looks feminine kind of.
Are you mad?
See, it doesn't look manly at least.
What's wrong with you?
It's not looking very manly. It's looking slightly feminine, you know, this design. Girls only wear these kind of clothes.
You can't wear what everybody's wearing. You got to create your own fashion sense.
This is looking feminine here.
अपनी नई लुक से जिमी कुछ खास कन्विंस्ड नहीं.
It was feminine stuff. If this was not there, it would have looked much manly. I love manly things here. I love manly appearance.
Jimmy,
Yeah,
go and change. Are you mad?
taking a look.
Stop getting obsessed with it.
Next one is there for me. Hey, now this is my, I don't know what look is this. Is this a casual or? Coolio, beta. Coolio. Deadly. See if I can speak my what I feel, then only I'll speak. It's just that a kurta with a denim short jacket, looking awful for me.
See, you are looking at your own point of view. I'm looking at the group point of view.
It's not matching the other. The group thing also is not matching.
It's looking fat.
With due humbleness, I'm saying it's looking awful for me. Something which is not comfortable for me, I will do it uncomfortable. It's as humble as that. Just I'm letting you know what my point is.
Perfect.
Everything is up to you, up to everybody. I didn't like few combinations. It's weird. Weird.
And he has to understand he's a pop star. He's got to do something different. Look different and carry it off. He'll get used to it tomorrow.
Just a flash of fashion sense. You've got your own sense. You've already got your own
The
sense.
thing is that they can't give me this mixed colors. They have to give me something which is manly.
It's looking very nice. गधा है उसको कुछ पता नहीं. It's looking very nice.
People will definitely
कह रहे
think
हो
it's very
तुम?
nice.
First photo shoot, very excited. मजा आ जाएगा.
The foursome heads for the photo shoot with renowned fashion photographer Darren Centofonte.
We have reached MBC Studios photo shoot time. Really excited.
This photo shoot is a vital part of the band's media projection. इन्हीं photographs को band के publicity material में use किया जाएगा. In short, this shoot will set the look of the band. नीति की नजर है यूनिट के टेम्पटिंग खाने पे, पिज्जा.
Don't swallow it.
Neeti breaks the food rule and urges her bandmates to join her.
मेरा तो केक तो खा ले.
मेरा मन
उससे मेरे को डांट पड़ेगी. प्लीज एक बाइट खा ले. एक बार तो खा लो. कोई नहीं खा रहा. कह दूंगी कि मैंने.
हम नहीं बताएंगे तो फिक्र मत कर.
एक बाइट खा ले.
The shoot with Darren begins on a good note. This photo shoot is the first time the band actually tastes what life as pop stars is going to be like, and they've taken to being in the spotlight without any effort.
Just keep going, man. Yeah, that's a good one. Nice. Wait. Good. Not bad, not bad. Excellent. Okay, go for it. Okay, cool.
You feel confident enough to jump up and down on this, in those hills? Skirt looks good. Let's jump. Let's look for a while. Higher. Go higher. Keep jumping. Really get your legs up this time. Ooh. Landed badly. I mean, it's really, you know, it's tricky shoes to be wearing in a shot like this and far out.
शूट के दौरान नीति के साथ हुआ ये हादसा. The pain is intense.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. Yeah.
प्लीज यार. प्लीज ये मेरे को दिल्ली छोड़ के आ रहा है, मेरा पैर टूट गया.
She's rushed off for an X-ray. 5 दिनों बाद बैंड का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है. The media launch, where the band is going to be formally presented to hundreds of media personalities and celebrities. अगर इस नाजुक मोड़ पे नीति की इंजरी सीरियस है तो सारे किए कराए पे पानी फिर जाएगा. Will the media launch take place on schedule? Will Neeti pull through? Will the band live up to the expectations at their first ever live performance? जानिए कोकवी पॉप स्टार्स 2 के अगले एपिसोड में रविवार